welcome! So in today's video, we're just going to share our preparation for tomorrow's gift giving. We're packing some goodies for 12 homeless person that we will encounter tomorrow, like those who were on the stoplights, like sitting on the side of a store, those kind of people. My family back in the Philippines, we usually do this every Christmas season. I mean, my parents and her siblings usually give some packs, like a bag containing rice, small pack of coffee, creamer, sugar, necessities, some simple necessities that we usually eat, like some noodles, Vienna sausages, what else? Sardines. So now that I'm here in America, I started doing this since I came here last 2015. My first one, I baked some muffins, and then last year we bought 12 rotisserie, those chickens from Costco. We bought 12 of those and give it away. And now we decided to put a care package for those yeah, are you entertaining them? For those homeless people that we will see tomorrow. Well, it won't help the homeless problem, like it won't really help them that much, but at least those people that will receive our goodie bag, at least for that day or for that night, they won't be hungry. It's not that much, but at least it's like a simple way for us to give thanks for our blessings this year. I mean, we're not rich. We're just an average normal family, but my parents taught me how to share whatever we have. Even though we don't really have that much, at least we are surviving. We're not those kind of people that don't have home and don't eat 3 times a day. At least that's what my parents taught me. We have to learn how to appreciate things in order for us to receive some blessings. Isn't that right, Anya? So I want my daughter to be aware of that and to grow up like the way I did, like to share her blessings to those people who are in need in her own simple way. So I'm starting right now to teach her and get her involved. And like they said, sharing is caring. And these items that we're going to give, I'm going to purchase more of the granola bars, and this one are like the donut sticks. These came from different stores like Costco, 99-cent store. We have Vienna sausage, Cheez-It, and some fruit pack. I'm planning to add some more granola tomorrow before we hand it over, and some maybe applesauce. And we're going to put it here in this gift bag because it's Christmas. And see, Anya's playing with it, so And these are the gift bags. I separated them. This one have the granola this side, and this one doesn't have any granolas. And missing Cheez-It because Anya opened it, so I have to replace that. And as you can see, they're not that full, so I'm planning to add more tomorrow. And that's it. So how about you guys? What do you do to share your blessings this year? So for me, this is my Good Samaritan deed, and hopefully you guys also share your blessings and be thankful to whatever you have. So happy holidays and see you on our next one. Bye!